In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to work a chainless starting double crochet. So this is what it looks like. And as you can see, it looks pretty much like a regular double crochet, yet it's at the beginning of my row. So this is what you would use instead of chaining 2 or 3 to start your double crochet rows. You can instead work a chainless starting double crochet to give you a more seamless look and to give you also straighter edges. So go ahead, keep on watching to see how to work the chainless starting double crochet. Okay, so to begin, I've just worked a couple of rows of regular double crochets, and as you can see, actually all of these rows have been started with chainless starting double crochets, and I think in general it just gives you a cleaner edge, which is why I prefer this method to, when I start my double crochet rows. So to begin, we're gonna pull up our working loop to about the height of a regular double crochet, which is right about here. I think it's better to make it shorter than taller because then you have excess yarn if it's too tall. So if you're, not sure if it's too tall or too short, maybe stick on the shorter side. Now I'm going to use my index finger or whatever finger you can use to make it more comfortable. I'm going to use that to hold my working loop onto my hook. And I want to keep this held until I'm done with my stitch, otherwise my stitch may come undone. Now I'm going to wrap my hook around the working loop, so from front to back, just like this. So now I have kind of like my 2 loops on my hook that we need when we begin a double crochet. And now I'm going to insert my hook into this first stitch of my row. And now I can go ahead and complete the double crochet like normal. So I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop. So right now there's 3 loops on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there I've just worked my first chainless starting double crochet. And after working that one, I can now continue to work the rest of my row like normal in regular double crochets. So I'm going to repeat that one more time so you can go ahead and see what I'm doing. So let me just go ahead, finish off my row, and here I'll show you what it looks like to work into the top of that chainless starting double crochet. Just one more stitch. So this one right here is a chainless starting double crochet. That's how I started the previous row. So I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to insert my hook here, and I just want to make sure I go under 2 strands. So right there, that's the top of that chainless starting double crochet, and I'm just going to work it as a normal double crochet, just like that. Alright, so let's try it one more time. I'm going to turn my work, I'm going to pull up the loop on my hook so that it's about the height of a standard double crochet. Now I'm going to pinch this loop, going to twist my hook around the loop from front to back so that now there's 2 loops on my hook, and now I can work at a regular double crochet basically. So I'm going to insert my hook into that first stitch of the row, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you work a chainless starting double crochet. And again, I think it's a great way to start rows because it gives us a cleaner edge.